R. Kopra. BSF 19 in East Kasils districts only, and Armed Forces 9, 6 from East Kassi Hills and 3 from Rivoy districts. We have started from Umpling. The testing is going on. We are going to start tomorrow to Nomonsong and Mopat and also the Langading Mini. So these 4 places immediately we already started and Umpling today at Hubert Memorial School, and they are going to continue till they finish all those random tests which is required to be done in all the places.
Of the citizens of the state, we had a review meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, and few decisions were taken today. Please listen to me very carefully. Few decisions I would like to inform you taken by the government. I think if you go back to the notifications issued by the government maybe 3 or 2 months back, allowing people to have a wedding reception in their respective houses or respective places depending upon their wishes. Today, we decided that permission again will not be issued as far as wedding reception is concerned in 2 districts. One is Rivoy district and number 2 is East Kassi Hills district. That was the decision we taken today. Please listen to me very carefully. Again, this is for the information of the citizens of the state. Let me just read out. The government today has decided to close all the entry points. Of the state which are located 1. Bernihat, 2. Ratashara, 3. Bajengdoba, 4. Tikrikila, 5. Mirjumla, and 6. Halideganj from midnight of 23rd. From midnight of 23rd or early the morning of the 24th. Early the morning of 24th and midnight of 23rd, it shall stand closed. It shall stand closed, except on emergency cases like medical services, essential commodities, and transit movement of Assam vehicles will be allowed during this period of closures. This is essential to unburden. This decision is essential to unburden the health and other frontline workers as well as the district administration who have been engaged in this intensive surveillance work for the past 4 months. During this time, the Health and Family Welfare Department, along with the Community COVID Management Team, shall also engage in the workshop on behavior change management training in their respective localities. The time shall also be used during this closure period. Time shall also be used to shift the entry point of Bernihat to a new location identified by the government.